Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T here. I hope you are feeling happy wherever you are. I'm feeling excited. You know why? Because I am going to be climbing the Kloof Corner Trail, part of Table Mountain. It's gonna be my second time. The first time I did it, it was not so favorable for me to shoot some content because I started the trail in the evening. So I thought, you know what, let me redo it again because I want to give you a chance to also see it. Now this trail takes about 2 to 3 hours long, depending on your pace and also on the level of your fitness. And it is about 3.5 kilometers long. One thing I learned about it the first time that I came, it was quite steep and it was quite rocky. So I would advise you as you go along the trail to please be cautious and to please remember to be safe and also not forgetting to take a look at the views. Now, please don't forget to do the most important thing, that is to subscribe, and please don't forget to like if you are not new to the channel. Let's go. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. This is what you call a protea flower. It is South Africa's national flower. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my god. We are almost close to the famous Kloof Corner. As you can see, people are enjoying the view. They're taking lots of pictures and they're just enjoying the surroundings of this trail. Now, Kloof Corner forms part of Table Mountain, and I just recently found out that Table Mountain has got about plus minus 350 trails. How interesting is that? And which made me want to share some discovery that I have learned about Table Mountain. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and because it's recognized by the United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization, because it has the most significant natural, cultural and scientific aspects about them. These heritage sites, they are considered to be of universal value. They are protected and they are preserved even for future generations. We're almost at the Kloof Corner. can see, we are coming from Kloof Corner, which was further down. Beautiful place. I still can't get over it. I forgot to mention one thing that is so beautiful and so sentimental you can actually do at the Kloof Corner. Have picnic with your loved ones or anybody of your choice. It's a very good spot for that also. Now, if you want to go up India Festa, which will take very long to go down, you go this way. But or if you want to go Tafelberg, you'll probably get out halfway into the mountain, or from the mountain rather. So we are going to go down this way. As you can see, it says closer to Upper Cable Station, and that is going to be Platteklip Gorge for us. That's where we're heading. Hello again, guys. Please excuse the dark. It is dark after all. We have made it. This is Platteklip Gorge, where we have come down from. You know, I really don't like climbing down when it's too dark because it gets so hard to see. And I want everybody to really understand that I don't condone hiking in the evenings. It is not safe. It is quite dangerous. Every time I try to stop myself from doing it, but I always find myself in the midst of it. Next time I'll do better to start even much earlier. So yeah, we are done. I hope that you have enjoyed. I hope that it was interesting for you. And please don't forget to subscribe.